So with these, there's obviously a lot of cracked paint around here. There's a lot of conservation joints that have been completely painted closed. You see the sush cords inside there. Indoors, it's completely painted up. The pulleys are all painted up, but they do run. I've had those running. We've got some lovely draft proofing inside here in the form of filler, etc. A lot of the putty's in good condition though, which is not an immediate cause of concern. It will need to be changed obviously, and we've got some cracks in, but the biggest concern is having to open these up to get them mechanically working. At some point in the recent past, this has had new seals put on here. You can see the fixing points there and there. Possibly some repairs done in here as well. You'll notice that once you get all the paint off and the windows out. A bit of repair done there as well. You see it's cracked there. This is probably all filler under here.